let us run our APIs and see the output. So as you have seen here, let me first of all run the server. npm learn dev start. Perfect. Then I will go to the postman here. So when I'm going to get one user, first of all, I can get all the users that I have in my database, so that it can help me. Sorry, I was just hitting the port number that is not the same as here. So I'm gonna change my port number to 4045. So that's why it does not learn. So I'm gonna change here. First of all, can I create another new user, please? Okay, I'm gonna put here 4-5 here, so I can create like Betty here, Betty Harris, then send. Good. Now this is Betty Harris, so I can get all users here just to get 90. So I'm going to change here 5, then see. Yes, this is the all user that I have in my database. So I want just delete this Betty Harris. I want first of all to get Betty Harris by using get one API. So in get one API, make sure you, after the user, the other ID variable is being replaced by this. This is the ID of user. As I copied from here, now I paste it in the URL here. Then now I can get, sorry, a bit myself been changed. Okay, good. Now you see I can get the specific data. Now I'm getting one user per time. Yes. So in case I want also to update, like I want to change the name of Betty and I make it Jackie. So I'm gonna use this this ID as the same. Then I go to the API of updating. So here, so a bit, so localhost 4040, and this is the API. Then it's not 4040, just 45. Then it's patch method. Then I'm gonna put here the ID. Then I'm able to update all this information, or I can even just update like one of each. Yes. So assume that I'm going to change the last name of Betty to Jackie. So here I come and just put the last name and send. Where? So I had before Betty and Laris, so but for now I have Betty and Jackie. So even if I want to change like this gender, because Betty is a female, so I'm gonna put here gender, just make it a female. Now you see, great. Now I have changed the Betty to female. So assume that I want even to delete, like when you come here to get all users, I have like two users which look the same. It's just a duplication of data. So I want to delete one of them. So I can just pick here an ID of one of them. Then I use this API of delete, where I have changed here my method. Then I put the ID of the user that I'm going to delete. So the user I'm going to delete is this one. So I'm going to copy this ID, and then I come to this delete API so that I paste it here. Now you see, if I click send, successful deleted, so means this user does not exist anymore in our database. Let's prove it. Can we try to get all users and see if they have, yes, one of the user has been dismissed. So like if you have many data, you can't just check all about that, but you can use even the ID by trying to get the an existed data. This ID I pasted here is the previous ID that the of the John that we have been greeted. So if I try to access this ID, they're gonna tell me that the user is not found. Yes, the user is not found. So that is the testing of the our APIs. So I'm back later by showing you how we can post, how we can host our APIs to the Heroku platform. Thank you.